John Ponzini's ranch. John's been in the industry for over 30 years and runs over 1 million Christmas trees each year. And a couple years ago he brought on Arable, and this is Juan. Juan's been working for John since you were about 13?
Yeah, 13,
Right.
14 years old.
So can you kind of explain what's going on here with the tree itself, Juan, and what you guys have noticed with Arable?
This tree specifically, I mean, compared to other fields, you can see way better growth, better coloration. The growth is what's most noticeable. Just in 1 year, we've had this section here grow, and it already started growing more for next year. Where within other fields, you don't get any of that.
And how about uniformity across the field?
Uniformity, you can point at any other tree in the field and they all have way better, perfect growth. We have this section from here to here. After we sprayed, it grew, what, you can say 2 inches here in this branch, and then we have another inch, inch and a half, 2 more branches already coming out.
And how old is this field?
Year old. This tree here is 2 years old and no application. The reason we're here is, even though this tree is older with no applications, it's smaller than the tree over there, a year younger, and it's already bigger. It has more growth, more color, more uniformity throughout the field, more everything. Everything over there is better than here.
And you mentioned also in some of the fields that you haven't applied Arable that you're finding more of a loss. In other words, when you're just putting them in the ground and you go for a year, you were mentioning that you can get to 8 to 10% tree loss.
Yeah.
Where in this case, with the Arable, you're finding less than a 2% loss.
Yes, this field here is 2 years old and we had, you can say, 8% loss. The field we were at previously, we applied Arable to that, but we only had a 2% loss.
Well, can't ask more than that. That's great. And then you've got another field that you want to show me.
Yes, we have another field that's 2-year-old trees, 2 applications, which are the same age as these trees, but the difference is huge. Way better color, better uniformity throughout the field, and taller trees. So here you see the same age tree as the field we were just at, except last field was 2 years old, no applications of Arable. This tree here is 2 years old, 2 applications of Arable, and you can see a huge difference in size, huge difference in color, huge difference in uniformity throughout the field. And I don't know what else. Look, nothing better you can ask for. Look at the growth of this year compared to what we had just seen in the other field. It's something we hadn't seen and something that works so good, so perfect.